In a world awash with disposable technology, products built to last often feel like a relic from a bygone era. Most gadgets today are designed with planned obsolescence baked into their very circuits. But occasionally, just occasionally, a piece of engineering surfaces that defies this trend. The Panalchef Commercial Sous Vide is one such rarity, a tool crafted for consistency and longevity. What immediately sets this unit apart, elevating it beyond mere kitchen appliance status, is its whisper-quiet operation. At a staggering 15 decibels, you are not merely cooking. You are experiencing true culinary serenity. The gentle ripple it creates, powered by that efficient 360-degree water circulation system, ensures every corner of your protein, every vegetable, reaches an identical, perfect temperature. This isn't just quiet, it's an industry-leading silence, a testament to its 1,600-watt precision. Imagine preparing Michelin-level meals without the intrusive hum of lesser machines. That is the new standard. Hold it. Feel the weight. This is not flimsy plastic. We are talking about SUS 304 stainless steel, designed to withstand the rigors of a true commercial environment. It carries the heft of a serious tool, one you expect to last a decade, not just a year or two. The IPX7 waterproofing isn't just a label. It is an assurance of resilience. Every component, from the robust pump design, ensuring even heat distribution, to the highly responsive display, screams professional grade. And those smart features like overheating protection and low water alarms, they do not just add convenience. They are time savers, peace of mind, ensuring a Tuesday morning meal is as effortless as a Saturday night feast. It simply works, allowing you to focus on the joy of cooking, not the anxiety of equipment failure. Now, if I had to find a fault, and my job demands an honest assessment, I would point to the display's high-touch sensitivity. It is precise, yes, perhaps a little too eager at times. You might accidentally tap a setting while wiping it down, but frankly, that is akin to complaining about a luxury car having slightly too responsive steering. It is a minor quirk overshadowed entirely by the unwavering consistency, the silent precision, and the sheer build quality that defines this machine. For the current street price, this Panalchef represents an extraordinary investment for anyone serious about elevating their cooking game. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current price.